Hello everyone, welcome back to the channel. Today in this video, we'll walk you through the Bath and Body Works app and how to use it. Let's get started. The Bath and Body Works app is a go-to tool for shopping, saving and staying connected with your favorite fragrances. First, we'll begin by downloading the Bath and Body Works app from the App Store or Google Play. Open up your app store, then search My Bath and Body Works app in the search bar. Then after it pops up, tap on Bath and Body Works and then tap on your install option, and after installing it, open up your app. After opening it up, you'll need to create a new account or sign in to unlock personalized features. Then to explore a wide range of products from seasonal scents to daily essentials, you can use filters to sort by category, fragrance or price. Add your favorite items to the cart and proceed to check out. Also, there is a rewards program. You can join the My Bath and Body Works rewards program to earn points on every purchase. For every $1 spent, you earn 10 points. Accumulate 1000 points to redeem a free product up to $16.95. Use the store locator to find the nearest Bath and Body Works store. You can enable push notifications to receive alerts about exclusive offers, new arrivals, and special promotions too. You can enjoy a seamless and secure checkout experience. The app supports biometric authentication, allowing you to log in using Face ID or fingerprint recognition for added security. And that is how you can use the Bath and Body Works app to bring your favorite fragrance to your fingertips. I hope you guys like this video. Like if it did and comment down if you have any questions. See you in the next video.